Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a paint kiss. Back then when I started I did a lot of paint kisses, but when Olga Sobi started with this technique, she layered cold colors in one cup and warm in other one. But lately, I don't know how long, few weeks probably ago, I saw Sarah Mac layered her cups and just do straight ring pour kind of kiss pour. So I will layer my cups the same, and I will start with Naples Yellow Light, Amsterdam. Try to go as even as I can. And the next one is Vallejo Azo Yellow Orange. It's a yellow, but it's the name. And next one is Amsterdam Carmine Red. And next one is Amsterdam Turquoise Blue. And here I mixed Vallejo Pearl Medium with this little Piggy Pigments Glisten. You see, it's kind of greenish iridescent thing, so I thought I will layer this here a little bit just to have maybe some effects. And this is Prussian phthalo, Amsterdam. And I will go once more with Naples. Oops, maybe a little too much of this one. And yellow and red and turquoise blue, because Amsterdam has turquoise blue and turquoise green, and this is turquoise blue. And a little of this pearl and Prussian phthalo. Okay, so my cup is layered. My 2 cups are layered. And I will pinch this here, where I will kiss them. So let's do some kissing. I don't see what I'm doing. Whew, weird. This Glisten obviously take over with pearl white. I should have known that. But let's stretch this out and we will see what will happen. Oop. A glare. Okay, better. Where is my torch? You see how this pearl reacts, and I have quite some paint here left, so I think that this Glisten wasn't the best idea. With pearl white, of course, because pearl white, pearl medium, should say, because it tends to take over a little bit. I will do my corners later. I just want to stir a little bit. And I think that I will grab another cup and do a ring pour on top without that pearl, because not a kiss one, just a normal one. So I can't use those two cups. I will definitely use them on some other project. So I will just add the paint. And I will do smaller layers. And red and turquoise. Let's leave that one out, and I will use it for some other project. And metals and yellow and red and turquoise and phthalo. Okay. And I will go here because I don't like this center there at all. Okay. So let's see what we have here now. So my kiss board didn't turn out as I planned. Air bubbles in one paint, I don't know which one, but I will leave this one. It is kind of, you know, just a ring pour, old school ring pour now, but I like these lines and I like this transparency here on the Naples yellow, you know, because you can see the lines underneath. So I will call this one done. Here is a close-up. You see this transparency, so weird because Naples yellow is opaque color, so weird. And maybe I should use some more vibrant red, not carmine. See these lines on the sides? They're just beautiful. I will say that I like it. It's a ring pour that we used to do, but sometimes it's just okay to go back and do some paintings that you start with, technique that you start with. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.